Okay, we're in the advanced configuration area here. I'm going to go ahead and push and go in here. Now there's other things we don't want to do down here, but I'm going to go down here to the setup. And the one things we can do is change the light and time. So backlight is on 20% stock. That's what I leave it on here for the Cyber Commander, but if you need a little more or less brightness, you can adjust it here. And the timeout for the screen to go off is 20 seconds. You can change that. This is a good setting. You'll notice it just went down there. And if I go in here, I have to come back here, go back over here, set again, get back in here. But that's a good time without running down your batteries. If you move those up in a certain situation where you need more light, you might go through your batteries faster, so you might want to come back here and lower it if you're back in a studio situation where you maybe were outdoors and need more brightness. So advanced configuration, factory calibration, you're going to talk to them what you're going to do here. With this, we're not going to change anything at all on that. And same thing, utilities, nothing to do here. So they're just blank screens for me. We don't want to do anything in bootload. So those things you want to talk to Paul Seabuff, tech support, if you're going to mess with anything there.